Okay, so we've finished this one in Leeds now. We've been here maybe 3 to 4 weeks now. We've done him some decking, we've replaced his garage roof, and we've built him a lovely little garden office, which I'll talk you through in a minute. So this is the decking we built. Before it was an unused concrete space with some stone steps going down. We've extended it out so that you can have a nice little dining area there, and we've created these stairs that you can see there. We've put it onto 2 different terraces so that the lower one there is a bit lower next door so they're not overlooking. We've also replaced this old asbestos garage roof. We've put on a one-piece rubber roof membrane, and we fit our plastic guttering, fascia and soffit all colour coded. Give a nice new finish. So as you can see, we've built these steps as well. We've clad the side there, which was just an old stone wall, tied it all in. And in here, he's got a little storeroom there for his garden tools, under decking to make use of that space. As you can see, the old steps were there. Put a nice little landing down here for the stairs to come down onto. As you can see, it's a nice traditional softwood decking, all to building reg standards. Lasts for years with that now. This is the garden office that we've built. It's one of our most popular sizes. It's a 4 metre by 3 metre, give or take. We've had to squash it a little bit back and extend it, but you've still got 12 square metres, which provides enough space for 2 people to work comfortably or any other use. As you can see, we fit our standard aluminium bifold doors in anthracite grey. We'll just open them up for you and you can have a look. Nice and easy to open there. Offer a 10-year warranty with them. As you can see, we've put this slate bed in there to match the rest of his garden. We've clad it in red cedar. We've treated it there, oiled it. As I've said, we've got a 12 metre square garden office. As you can see, there's enough room for 2 workstations. We've finished it in white. We've fit a laminate floor, the ceiling's got downlighters in, the fire rated, and we've also got a consumer unit over there on the wall, which of course is certified. We've found a test certificate with all our jobs. And over here in the corner, we've also got an internet point which we've connected to the house internet as well. So you've got everything you need in here to provide a good office working space. At Oakwood Garden Rooms, we provide the full package. I've said it before and I'll say it again, you will not get a better build from anybody in this country. Value for money, job delivered on time and quality of work. We can't be beaten on any of them things. If you want one of these built and you want it to the best standard you can possibly have, give me a ring and we'll fit you in. If you're thinking about getting one of these built, right, the key thing you need to do is check out people's reviews. Now you can look on all these other websites and read the reviews. Mrs. Smith from Barking says the job was wonderful and the staff were great. Chances are the reviews are made up. You are not going to get a better review than from a real customer on a real job. And that's what we provide here at our company, Oakwood Garden Rooms. Generally, if our customers are willing, we'll sit down, have a chat with them, and they're real customers. You can go around, see their jobs and have a chat to them. These people exist. And they're not like some people put just fabricated reviews about how good their company is and how wonderful their job is. If you want to have a chat to any of my customers, drop me a line and I'll forward you some phone numbers and you can have a chat to real customers and get a real review and a real feel for how we work here at Oakwood Garden Rooms. Everything is built to the best possible standard. You're not going to get a better job. So what we're going to do now, we're going to have a chat with the customers of this fantastic garden office and see what they've got to say about it. This is Carl and Lindsay. It's their office. It's a 12 metre square office. So Carl, Lindsay, how do you feel the build's been?
I'll go first. I think it's been fantastic. It's been nice and quick. Everything we wanted, we've ended up getting and more besides. Especially because it was a bit of a quirky space we had to work with, and it ended up being a little bit longer and a little bit narrower, which you managed to do for us. So amazing, amazing. Really, really happy.
Value for money?
Yeah, definitely.
Anything you would have changed?
No,
not at the moment. I think it's exactly as we wanted to.
Yeah. But any changes you want to make, we did chat to you about them, and you were happy to make them.
So there you go. Carl and Lindsay, are you happy?
Yeah.
Thumbs up from us.
They're happy. Sue was happy last time. If you want to be happy as well, just give me a call and I can make you happy.